When the morning sun peeked through the leaves, casting dappled shadows on the forest floor, the secret village of the Cherokee Little People came alive once again. 3 friends, Nvwtohiyada, Tsulasgi, and Utsasquidi, were usually the first to greet the day. Nvwtohiyada, whose name meant "he helps," was always ready to lend a helping hand. With a heart as large as the forest, he carried a smile that could brighten even the cloudiest day. He was the builder among them, crafting the tiniest homes and bridges from pebbles and twigs with the utmost care. Tsulasgi, or friend, as he was often called, was a little person who could make friends with anyone, be it the chattering squirrels, the shy deer, or the elegant swans on the lake. His laughter was contagious, spreading joy wherever he went. And then there was Utsasquidi, named after the swift and beautiful hummingbird. Just like the hummingbird, Utsasquidi was always full of energy, fluttering from one task to another with remarkable speed and grace. The 3 friends, each unique, shared a deep bond of friendship. They played together, learned from one another, and explored the nooks and crannies of the magnificent forest. They often sat by the brook, feet dipped in the cool water, sharing stories and carving little keepsakes from pebbles.